2018 INFINITI QX30. The INFINITI QX30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, leather seats, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.